Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Inivis. Fox, good morning. How are we doing? On the app? Yeah, let's see. We opened already. 5 minute, that was what I was looking for. I mean, not looking for. I've been checking and like taking an eye on it. I think it's ES. Looks completely like Asia High is my draw, and ES is really, really close to it. Good morning, HM. So running it real quick. I don't know why I still have the execution on my last trade. That's weird. Okay. Uh, we have 4 hour sweep, like 10 p.m. sweep, hourly fair value, or fair gap. 15 minutes C3. Well, kind of weird closure here. Not looking bad for a long, but let's see. On ES also. Because I hate to trade when ES is the strong one. That's 15 minutes CSD. Maker block. Doesn't look bad for a long, to be honest. Oh yeah, of course. But we've been having ES stronger than in Q lately, like more often than not. And I just hate it too. Like I don't know why. Gonna wait and see the 15-minute closure. What a strong move at 3 a.m. That's weird. Yes. Five minute. Just straight into 1 minute. Daily chart looks ugly as fuck. That's a good reaction on the 1 minute. Uh, 3 minutes for the 15. We confirm the CSD on the 15. Uh, uh, this would have been great. A minute for the 15-minute to close. The week is way, 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 way bigger. Like it's actually big. What is ES doing? ES is going to close about the 15-minute breaker block. Do we have 4-hour sweep on? Yeah, we do have 4-hour sweep on ES. Yeah. Yeah, the 15-minute closure definitely is not the best. At least not in Q. Yes, it's a bit better. I don't want to play a 15-minute break. Yep, same. Like if we can go for Asia high and then move lower, it'd be great. No, we didn't get the close. No, we didn't. Okay. Yes. The thing is, but okay, if we are going lower, what's the draw? Like what am I watching here for it to go lower? The devil's mark on the daily. What do we have? Is it actually a devil's mark? Oh yeah, it is a devil's mark. We don't have a week. Like, is it only me that it looks like it has a week or one? But yeah, it could be that we're going for the devil's mark here. Charge that motherfucker down. Hey. Looking more and more like a short here. Yeah, you can try and short and Q. We have S&T at this high. Sweep. Wait for too much. Okay, 2 minutes for this 5 minutes close. I'm gonna wait, see if we can return into the 5 minute gap, and then look for a continuation on the lower time frame. Monthly looks clean, getting into the monthly gap. Okay, we traded into the 5 minute gap, both yes and then Q. was too fast. What I'm gonna do here for myself, like if we can trade it below here, I'm gonna use this 30-second as the breaker block and just like get into the continuation and like do something maybe like this. But let's see, because like we still can like do random things, and now yes, push higher. And this is just a sweep on NQ with SMT on ES. Oh shit, I just made the screen red as well. Okay. I hate when NQ is like the weakest one of them all. Like I just hate it. That's a long, I want a short. I think I'm gonna do this, but it's gonna be very risky. To short this on the 30-second chart. Not gonna lie. Wait and see. We trade a little bit differently. Like we trade the same things, like the same concept, same way. Um, but everyone has their own model. So we're gonna be getting into pretty much not the same trades, but sometimes we do get the same trades, but with different logic, you know. But I'm just in. I really want to short this, but it's just taking so fucking much time to actually close below this strongly. There we go. That's the one. Now it's just tying. How do we trade? We use ICT concepts. Pretty much all of us trade. Well, Leo trades more continuations than anything. But Kane, Alex, Ray, and I Leo also, but we trade reversals. based on different ICT concepts. For me, I use a breaker block. That's pretty much a break of structure. Uh, that's a 5-minute breaker here. Oh shit. No, I did not place the order yet. I want to see a little bit more. I'm gonna go with you here. It was, I'm gonna say decent. London session has been the worst session for me. It has been good. Got like a couple payouts, not too big ones, but got something out of the market. But really, really hard, to be honest. It was really hard. Way better. Like I've been trading outside sessions. Pre New York has been good, like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., giving good moves. Any recommendations in Ibiza? I have bad news. I've never been to Ibiza actually. I've been to Mallorca and like Menorca, like the other islands, but I've never been to Ibiza. Hell yeah. Yes, Fad. Yeah, yeah. That's basically what I do personally. Wait for a liquidity sweep. It has to be like when the liquidity sweep happens around a high time frame point of interest. That's where I wanna like start looking for positions. And it's crazy that I've never been to Ibiza because like it's just a 20-minute flight from where I live. Like I can go to Ibiza and come back home like in the same day. You booked it last night, basically. There goes the short. Yeah. We don't have a Discord, no. No. Like all we do is here on stream. That's it. Hey, this thing is just dying already. Yeah, are we getting into bear market? Like 2022? Good morning, Trist. Doing well, doing well. How about you? Did you get anything? I was checking for the short on the 30 seconds, but I didn't want to get in here. And I waited a little bit more just in case I could get an entry, but it dumped. Oh, brother. Oh, what a push here. 1Q. 23,000 inbound. That would be fucking crazy. But hey, I prefer like a directional market where we go upside or downside. Like I don't even care. Like if we're going lower on a Q on the higher time frame. Then we have like a massive bearish month next month. I don't care. As long as we have directional market and not ranging, it's good for me. I don't care if I long or short. It's gone. 15 fair value cap. Yeah, it's got the sweep and reacting nicely to it. Yeah, like this is like, I mean, it's not a session, right? These things are gonna happen. 392. Okay. Oh. Let's see. GG. Quick one, Justin. Yeah. Yeah, you got it right. I don't want to. The thing is, I don't want to force anything because I've been trying to get trades during London session, just for the sake of it. And I've been trying to like not force, but convince myself that I should take a trade during London session. But in reality, I don't need it. Like then I take like 2 trades out of like London, and they really play out well. So see what we do here. Returning again back into the 5-minute fair value. Wow, like this move looks strong. Yeah, all of these highs. I think we have SMT on each one of them. Oh, gold. Ooh, gold. 15-minute fair value. Good morning. How does this board is London? Same. Maybe you can go lower from here again. Thanks, Justin. Thank you so much. You're all getting wrecked. These break-evens, right? Yeah. I mean, I think that this move lower was great. Nothing. We're not going lower. If they go into the one, I think we go lower in London, the shit PA, and then move up in New York, and then again in New York PM. Could be. I hate this market right now. I just fucking hate it. I just try and sell this. Been good, been good, been good. Well, you're not like you're not missing much from the streams, like from the London streams lately. All right, I've been doing good. Morning Matrix. It's just getting boring at this point. Do I hit the gym? I don't actually, no. And I have it easier than ever because I have a gym like in the apartment, in the building, a gym. I never go, I don't know why. Moving this minute. We have value gaps. We don't have anything. Like it's just so boring. Uh, I mean, I've always been active doing sport. I play paddle. I play tennis, but I've never been like a gym guy. I mean, I did gym um a while ago. I did CrossFit. Now in summer with the sun, like with the heat here, bro, I finished the game, like the match, and I'm dying. But I prefer to do something that's fun. I'm not saying like gym is not fun, but I don't know, going by myself, like with the music, I have to be like so like I really need to want to have that vibe of going to the gym to actually go to the gym. And I prefer to do something fun, like playing tennis, paddle. It's usually always like I go play paddle, I go play tennis, and after I go get like a few drinks. So it's like everything that involves like doing that plan. Exactly, 100%. Paddle, Padel. It's like the how can I say it? I'm sure you've seen it. It's like pickleball but with glass, like on the sides. But essentially, yeah. Yeah, every day we go on stream and say the same thing. London P is difficult. London, and we listen. Uh, but if it was for me, I wouldn't be trading London session right now. Trust me. Not squash. But it's like a mix of both. Like it's like a court, like a pickleball court, but you have glass on the side and in the back where you can play with the glass itself, like to make bounce the ball. Hey, we have what, 2 minutes for 4 a.m. Let's see what 4 a.m. gives us. A 100%. Like for me, it's the same. 4 a.m. is just, I hate it, to be honest. I fucking hate it because like getting into a trade close to 4 a.m. unless you took it way before 4 a.m. and then you can move to break even and uh you can be more safe. Otherwise, you're most likely getting wrecked. London, New York takes a high and a little bit low. Uh, I think we all had similar like times in the market. I think Kane has been what 7, 8 years. I've been around 6 or 7, close to that. Alex has been in the market also for a long time. Leo, same. Like he was an options trader before becoming a futures trader. So I'm sure he has been in the market at least since 2020, 2021. Oh, 11 years then, whatever. Same thing, Trish. Like now that when I talk to people about what I do, it's just the same ongoing thing. Hey, you could teach me trading. Um, and I tell them, no, you don't know what you just said. I mean, because people see that in, you know, it seems easy, way fucking easier to get a job, 100%. What's going on? Why are we like moving that way? Oh, it's 4 a.m. The thing is, of course, it's worth the stress and the reward, but when you get used to it, you treat it like anything else in life. Like when you don't have it and you want to be in that position, you really want to be that guy. When you're in that position, you get comfortable, and then you just see trading. Like I see trading, and I see what I do as something normal, as it would be any other job. Like personally, I wouldn't want to be a trader for my life for the whole life. I want to use trading for something better, but I don't see myself with like 50 years old, being 50 years old and trading. Exactly, Matrix. The hard part is getting to that point where you can quit because you have enough money. There goes the short. Damn. We had a great 5 minute here. Yeah, you could trade much less, that's for sure. I mean, Yeah, of course it's different. Or you can like keep trading when you're 50 and that's it. Nothing wrong with it. Good job. See you, Rabbit Bullet. Anyone targeting previous low? Yep, a bunch of us. 100% risk. Like being in a position for a long time, it stresses me out way more than being a few minutes and trading like high volatility moments in the market, you know. Also, I feel like okay, swing trading. What's the frequency in swing trading? I couldn't like my patience couldn't like handle exactly 2 days or like and that 2 days is like for the analysis for that trade to happen. Maybe you've been like checking price and the chart for a week and then you get into a position a whole week of analysis and you get stopped out in a couple of days. Exactly same. Of the low, yes, seems to be going higher. Not really liking what we are doing, to be honest. Like we are moving because we're surely moving, but I'm not liking this price action the way we're moving. We're bouncing way too much out of recent lows, like just sweeping this low and bouncing. I don't like it. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I don't want to take. I think usually take trades past 4 a.m. So I think it's gonna be it for me. Shorter streams than usual daily, but if the market is not there for me to do anything, just doesn't make sense for me to keep watching. Oh yeah, it's just doing its thing. That's crazy. Again, it's gonna happen the same thing. For sure. Hey, at least we're taking advantage of it when it happens. If it moves at 5 and there's something worth taking, of course I'm gonna take it. Okay. So yeah, as I said, nothing from here. Not looking for anything specifically on NQ, yes, or any asset right now. So I think I'm gonna move on. If anyone has any question, just shoot it in the chat so we can check it out. What a reaction of that 330 low. And also previous hourly low, 3 a.m. low. Crazy. So yeah, 5-minute breaker. Oof. I don't think I'm prepared to long that big of a move with this 5-minute to war. Is just pretty close to Asia high. Not saying that it couldn't work out, but I think so many things can happen along this move. So not for me. So yeah, I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow again, London session, same time. Tomorrow is Friday already. Oh, crazy! The week went by really crazy. Why were you long in the middle of nowhere? Oh, I guess the question is not for me, right? Later, Fox. Thank you so much. So yeah, we see each other tomorrow again. Stay safe for New York. I think we have news at 8:30, so be aware of that. Again, don't forget to join Leon, Bray, and Alex today. They're in New York for New York Open, so they're gonna be there. Hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, see you tomorrow. Peace.